Hello and welcome. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to add Facebook Chat Messenger onto your website. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to add it into a Squarespace website, but you can use this tutorial for any website. So starting out on your Facebook business page, head into the settings, which is right down the bottom here, and then go up to messaging. Next we'll scroll down and click Add Messenger to your website, and then say Next. Here you can customize which language you want the messenger to be in, as well as customize the message that automatically shows up. And you can choose whether to have the option for them to message you as a guest or not. Click Next, and then we can further customize the colors. So I'll just add in my branding color here. And then you can choose whether to have the chat feature on the left or the right hand side of your website, and you can choose whether to have it collapsed or expanded. And click Next. Make sure you add in any domain names that you're wanting the chat to appear on, and then say Save, and then you can copy this code or choose to have the instructions emailed to you, but I'll be showing you how to add it into your website as well. Next, head into your website and down to Settings, and then Advanced, and go to Code Injection. In the space where it says Footer, paste the code that we just copied, and then make sure you click Save. Now head into your website from a new browser and press the refresh button, and you'll see that it shows up down the bottom. Thanks so much for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you have found it helpful. If you're after any more website design tutorials, I do have a course available on my website, so head over there to www.lharrison.design. And I am running a live version of my DIY websites for wellness starting in November, so sign up or register for the next round.